Are you interested in learning Arabic? Ayasofya Academy presents you with the opportunity to learn practical and conversation-centric classical Arabic using a modern and efficient approach through its online intensive Arabic language program. The program is an 8-week and 24 classes beginner level sprint, covering everyday conversational Arabic and providing a solid base for intermediate and advanced levels. The classes will take place online on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays of the week. The simple prerequisite is the ability to read and write Arabic, and the fee for the whole sprint is 35,000 Naira only. We employ communicative language teaching alongside an implicit grammar-translation approach to make learning Arabic an interesting journey of discovery. We provide supplementary study materials and media resources to complement the primary text of instruction. For enrollment and inquiries, contact us via WhatsApp at 080-2460-1993.